Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the wild and wonderful world of animal print outfits. Animal prints have long been a staple in the fashion industry, adding a touch of exotic flair and boldness to any wardrobe. From classic leopard spots to striking zebra stripes, these prints can elevate your style game and make a first statement. In this video, we will explore various ways to incorporate animal print into your outfits, ensuring you look effortlessly chic and fashion forward. Let's get started. Animal prints have a timeless appeal that transcends trends. They evoke a sense of adventure, confidence, and sophistication. Whether you are going for a casual daytime look or a glamorous evening ensemble, animal prints can be adapted to suit any occasion. The key is to find the right balance and let the print be the star of your outfit. Leopard print dresses are a versatile and stylish choice. They can be worn in a variety of settings, from a casual brunch to a night out. For a daytime look, pair a leopard print midi dress with ankle boots and a denim jacket. For the evening, opt for a form-fitting leopard print mini dress, strappy heels, and bold red lipstick. The key is to keep accessories minimal to let the dress shine. If you are not ready to go all out with a leopard print outfit, start with accessories. A leopard print scarf, handbag, or pair of shoes can add a touch of wideness to a simple outfit. Pairing these accessories with neutral tones like black, white, or beige will create a balanced and sophisticated look. Zebra print tops are a fantastic way to make a statement. They can be paired with solid colored bottoms to keep the focus on the print. For a chic office look, pair a zebra print blouse with black tailored pants and classic pumps. For a more casual outfit, wear a zebra print t-shirt with high-waisted jeans and white sneakers. Zebra print skirts are both fun and fashionable. A high-waisted zebra print skirt can be paired with a simple black or white top for a balanced look. For a more daring approach, try mixing prints by pairing the skirt with a polka dot or striped top. Just make sure the colors complement each other to avoid clashing. Snake print paints are a bold and edgy choice that can elevate your style. Pair them with a simple black turtleneck and ankle boots for a sleek and sophisticated look. For a normal casual outfit, wear snake print leggings with an oversized sweater and sneakers. The key is to keep the rest of outfit understated to look the pants stand out. A snake print coat or jacket can add a touch of luxury and drama to any outfit, whether it's a trench coat, blazer, or bomber jacket. Snake print outwear can transform a basic look into something extraordinary. Pair it with the neutral tones and minimal accessories for a chic and polished ensemble. Cheetah print jumpsuits are playful and trendy options. They can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. For a casual daytime look, pair a cheetah print jumpsuit with white sneakers and a denim jacket. For a night out, swap the sneakers for heels and some statement jewelry, and you are ready to turn heads. Cheetah print swimwear is perfect for making a stylish splash at the beach or pool. A cheetah print bikini or one-piece swimsuit can be paired with a wide-brimmed hat and oversized sunglasses for a glamorous retro-inspired look. Don't forget to accessorize with a chic cover-up for when you are out of the water. Giraffe print blouses offer a more subtle and sophisticated take on animal prints. They can be easily incorporated into both professional and casual wardrobes. For the office, pair a giraffe print blouse with a pencil skirt and pumps. For a more relaxed look, wear it with jeans and ankle boots. The neutral tones of giraffe print make it easy to mix and match with other pieces. Giraffe print dresses are elegant and unique. A flowy giraffe print maxi dress can be paired with sandals and a wide brimmed hat for a chic summer look. For a more formal occasion, opt for a fitted giraffe print dress paired with a high heels and delicate jewelry. For the fashion forward and adventurous, mixing different animal prints can create a bold and dynamic look. The key to successfully combining prints is to ensure there is a common color palette. For example, pairing a leopard print top with snake print shoes can work if both prints share similar tones. Keep the rest of the outfit simple and let the prints be focal point. Wearing the same print in different pieces can also make a striking statement. For instance, a zebra print top paired with zebra print pants creates a cohesive and bold look. To avoid overwhelming the outfit, keep accessories and additional colors to the minimum. Animal print loungewear is both comfortable and stylish. Leopard print leggings paired with an oversized sweatshirt make for a cozy yet chic outfit for lounging at home or running errands. Snake print joggers can be styled with a simple tee and sneakers for a casual day out. Animal print seekers are a fun and trendy way to incorporate prints into your everyday outfits. They can be paired with jeans, leggings, or even dresses for a casual, sporty look. Look for styles that combine prints with neutral colors to ensure they are